Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some oxtail. Guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. So let's get right into the video. Here we have some oxtail. This is like 2 pounds of oxtail, and guys, these are the big size oxtail. You have some big size, some small size. So we're going to be washing 3 times. So here we're going to be washing it again, and then we're going to be adding some vinegar and give it the 3rd wash. So yes guys, make sure your meat is washed properly. And here we're going to go over to our station to season. So yes guys, our meat is well washed. So here I have some jerk sauce, some marinated sauce that I made. I will put the link in my description so you guys can check it out. So I put 2 teaspoons of that. Here we have some meat seasoning. We're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose season, guys. Here we have some Obe seasoning. We're gonna be just adding like a teaspoon of Obe seasoning. Here we have the Cajun seasoning, and we're gonna be going in with also a tablespoon. Here we have some garlic powder, and this is the organic one that I'm using. So here we're mixing every one of the spices together, and we're gonna add it to our oxtail. So guys, you can add whatever spices you like on your oxtail. These are the ones that I use for most of my meat seasoning. So now we're gonna go in and rub everything in. Make sure you season your meat properly. Make sure everything is seasoned to the bone. Oh guys, I am doing this. I will be leaving it overnight to prepare for the next day. So now we're going to be adding a little bit of browning to our oxtail. Not too much because you don't want to get it too dark. So you rub that in, make sure you lock in all your spices and everything. So now that this is ready guys, I am going to be putting this over it so I can put it down to marinate till tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome back. So now we're going to be preparing our oxtail, so you guys can take a look. And here we have some green onions, some garlic and ginger, pimento seed, hot pepper, onion and some thyme. And here we have our grace meat and sauce. So here we have our pot. The stove is on high, and we're going to be adding some vegetable oil in the pot. So for guys, thank you guys so much to all my loyal and amazing subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your love and your support. I cannot express how much I appreciate you guys. This I don't know, it's amazing. It's so amazing to see we all come together and unite as one. So here we have we're putting our oxtail in to the pot. Yes guys, if you guys could just smell the aroma up in this kitchen. Oh, it's amazing to smell what's going on here with all the spices and all the herbs and everything that we're using in this meat. Man, this just bring me back to mama's cooking. It's a mama cooking at the greatest. Yes. So make sure you kind of get your oxtail brown. So here we are, guys. So this is the first stage. Apart from seasoning up your oxtail, this is the first stage of preparation. So step 1, wash. Step 2, season, put to marinate. Step 3, you get your oil and you brown your oxtail. So here we are, guys. We're adding everything to the pot and with some of the seasonings that we're using, and then we're going to be adding 2 cups of water and leave it to simmer for a little while, to cook at least. I have it on high. So once we get this level of water down, so here you see I add my thyme and make sure everything is well simmer down. I did not cut up my thyme, so I'm gonna be covering my pot with the lid, and when we come back everything will be ready to add our butter bean. So yes guys, let's check on our oxtail. Watch out the pot a bubble. Oh, mercy. Yes, I am ready. I am hungry. Sorry guys. So let us check on our oxtail. Should be using a fork. Excuse me. Yes, meat falling off the bone just like how I like it. Whew. I am hungry guys. If you could just taste this. So here we have some more spring onion, we have some green onions, and we also add in some bell pepper, red, orange, yellow, and some spices and herbs to our oxtail. So guys, this is Pal's Island kitchen style of cooking our oxtail. You can try it this way, or you can do it the way you like it. But this oxtail, the aroma in the kitchen is amazing. It's I'm ready to eat. So I'm covering by my lid to get everything simmered down a little bit more. And now I will be adding my butter bean. This is what I will be adding, guys. Yes, one I saw when you add your butter bean to your oxtail. Nothing nice like this. Finger licking good, I tell you. So here we add our butter bean to our oxtail, and we're gonna make sure we're gonna just leave this for like 5 to 10 minutes to cook in and simmer and blend all the flavors together. I'm taking my time because I don't want to, because the meat is actually falling off the bone of the oxtail. So I don't want everything to crumble, so I'm taking my time to stir the pot. Oh, this looks amazing, guys. I'm so sorry I couldn't share it with everybody, just have a one big pot and said let's eat. Ugh, Lord. I guess so nice. So now I will be checking everything is ready, soft and nice. See that, guys? Falling off the bone, soft and nice. Cover back my lid, and when we come back we will be ready. Yes, guys, oxtail ready. Rich and nice. And here we will be serving with some rice and peas, some fried plantain with some tomato and cucumber. Guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. Welcome to Pals Nation. Remember to live good, love God, walk good. We'll see you next time. And thank you guys so much. And welcome, welcome, welcome to Pals Nation. Remember, it's one love, one family, and united we stand, divided we fall. Peace and love to everyone.